Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. In this video, we'll provide a brief overview of HIPAA. HIPAA stands for Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, a U.S. law enacted in 1996 that sets national standards for protecting the privacy and security of personal health information. The law applies to healthcare providers, health plans, and other entities that handle protected health information, PHI. HIPAA has two main components, the privacy rule and the security rule. The privacy rule sets standards for protecting the privacy of individually identifiable health information, including patient medical records and personal health information. The privacy rule requires covered entities to obtain patients' consent for the use and disclosure of their PHI, with some exceptions, such as for treatment, payment, or healthcare operations. Covered entities must also provide patients with notice of their privacy practices, including their rights to access, amend, and receive an accounting of their PHI. The security rule, on the other hand, outlines the security standards that must be met to safeguard electronic protected health information, EPHI. Under the HIPAA security rule, covered entities and their business associates are required to implement administrative, physical, and technical safeguards to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of EPHI. These safeguards include administrative safeguards. These are policies and procedures that manage the selection, development, implementation, and maintenance of security measures to protect EPHI. Examples include conducting risk assessments, developing workforce security policies, and implementing access controls. Physical safeguards. These are measures that protect the physical infrastructure of the covered entity's electronic systems and EPHI from natural and environmental hazards, unauthorized access, and theft. Examples include facility access controls, workstation and device security, and device and media controls. Technical safeguards. These are technologies and the policies and procedures that regulate their use to protect EPHI and control access to it. Examples include access controls, audit controls, and transmission security. Overall, HIPAA is an essential law that protects the privacy and security of individuals' healthcare information. Failure to comply with HIPAA regulations can result in significant fines and other penalties, as well as damage to the reputation of the covered entity. That concludes the HIPAA framework overview. To learn more, click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.